hope you are fine despite the natural disasters, and you are welcome on the event channel. Another devastating earthquake in Turkey. May God protect everyone. This fresh quake comes 3 weeks after earthquakes with magnitude of 7.8 and 7.6 through Turkey's southern provinces, leaving more than 44,000 people dead in the country. At the buildings, how they fall one after another. On those days, the earth shakes and shakes hard, really hard. It's really strong. More than 24 buildings were destroyed and 3,200 citizens have been rescued. Unfortunately, this is a new 5.6 magnitude earthquake hits Turkey in Malatya, killing 1 and injured over 100. Finally, may God keep you all. I wish you a pleasant day until the next video.